wa Dithemba.
Yes.
Agahe muini wa ini rwimbo rwetagwo wendo wa Dithemba.
Kuri.
There's a song that used to go like that.
You see, growing up back then, nowadays things have changed. Everything either works or doesn't work anywhere. Yes. Teneri, if you to Kurari, love manufactured in December, yeah, in a manufacturing date and a sell by date.
Sell by this date.
Yes. You see, people are not so, the mobility was very low. So, we don't you worry, very circumstantial. Yes. You see, one, Wakora Dithemba was one of the few times. No, nowadays, Wakora Mudoni again, I go the Naikuru, weekend, you know, Yaudi.
One time, Madina Shoke.
No, me, I like to get Jamamba.
Ina Shoke.
Yes.
Ina Mutaboka na Dina Ruigi.
Yes.
Kana Kigre Pasi.
Yes. Tenado Matiari Umagari.
Miumagari are Mekuderu one and Wagi Washirigi. Poor infrastructure.
Very poor infrastructure back then.
And strict family regulations.
Family norms. So you would find yourself your entire livelihood is spent within your locality.
Yes. You have been just about your village.
Yes.
And neighboring village.
Yeah, absolutely. And you would only exchange football tournaments. Very local. You know, Akoradi there, but it was one of those few times Wakoraga Quinado Market on an way one of my Makawati as your neaku.
As your Tiago,
as your Mariago, no Remanita Moko Marasima Uri.
As you know, Gamaserete Quabajabi,
Marasimuna no Makui Goro. You know, it's a ghetto Matiamania the fragrance.
Marachi, the Maraco, Idiago.
Yataki the Mokuria. And then, I got it. They used to associate Marashi with you know, how do Oyedika know how Marashi make a little okay? You know, got a very low period.
Marashi.
They were on the walk, you know, new. Wakora weri ona hari ote de karo ogori niguo ka mukihi utai na history yaku
utakuwe muno tigo gua kuona
dai na search history circumstantially mukaharuka na
kiwendo.
Yes.
Okauga oh my.
Okauga oh lo and behold. Na kwale kura
there.
Yes.
Modu angoro itora.
Ate nira inasigo igo. Vema mwa mthenya. Nega tumiro modu wago thiga ihoro riake.
Todo ahiki aku kwaju othe ni makuraitire wo.
Yes. Do yana reciprocatory affection. Wa yukaru ageni. Uko na ginya ndo ni maramaka. Ya. Ucio ni goigo. Ara aja.
Goigo uri omwe.
Na mararia eko kweli.
Ciana icio na ndiraigwira irario ithweri guku ri. Ngoigwa menye ire githweri ku.
Ndaigwa ya muyitu cio atiriri. So iko na hau. You know, you're a teenager in his late years, a late blooming teenager. Your testosterone levels are very high. Nanguoka miji ya Nairobi esinete juwe. Na what do you call these earrings?
Midira.
Yes.
Na dwara ni hakita Gutex.
Na ni akwe platform. We are ye.
Utada ye manifesto.
Waheo Mikey.
When I know.
And that girl would get charmed by your rural ways. Well, after I go sound urban, no, I can only you are rural.
The rural you.
Yes. Na hau niwe kiraga niwe itaka mucemanio mugathondeka kindu gitagwo declaration ati ni wagia mundu uria mukahikania
mwiro naguo ni wa ngoro
ayo ndikatia
uthero takinyanagira.
Yes. Oh, you would have an incredible time. Ona wakira mo concentrate yo gituira.
No, you are carried away.
Totally, you are swept away off your feet literally. Wata ainia nyimbo.
Ona maitugu neuga ndi ucenjetie thiku ici nduru ndungi ureci.
Yes. Na itora nere observe ni urethamba more frequently.
Na nguo cia kiumia ugekira wikindi.
Yes. No maitugu ni ona ogwa kona at least his son is getting an ego. Kana wakora mukihi visit delegation hena Kimani kiho githia nginya gym no gym yao kuna Nairobi oya icoka gicagi maica mothe ni gym na choro rugongori gym we shamba ande goko icoka
everyday life is gym.
Yes. Unuka Kimani kina shuka festival ya shuki kandikito NBA kana Chicago
Bulls.
Chicago Bulls.
Okay, rolie kingeti na thutha.
Kana New York Dolls. Yaje mlembo. Aitwa nani? Wajila. Aitwa Nyaloai.
What?
Nyaloai. Pelisila Nyaloai.
Metoka Ruai nini?
Hapana ni jina sets na kuago hivi. Niliitwa Susu. Ewe ni msupu sana. Sikuja tuongee gai. Unasema ukweli. You would even doubt. Because no one tells you that around there.
Wero ogwo ni mundu.
Ona andũ arĩa makwendaga rĩ matikwĩraga ũguo. They will not give you so much.
Atige kwa compliment cia muthemba ucio.
Yes, we amenyete gũkatirwo na rĩrĩ. Ari urakenya ndirate yani.
Wetha sade twa mashashi.
Ani not there's a getugi. Sade. Ndumenyerete mundu rakwanjia atiriri. You are so beautiful. I like your eyes. Wora ndurigana ni uri maitho.
And your smile.
Oh, your smile is just wowing. I like the glow on your eyes. I mean,
Nyarwaina kere.
You have rhythmic hips. When you walk, they sway like pine trees at the touch of breeze. Guy, unanidanganya. How ni ukweli? Then you would make a girl feel like the empress of the vine.
Dena kachifa anyitete oguo na njara.
Yes.
Ka maitho kai.
Na gatichio ohete foda hau. Ni apa kamena na kiothe ya rugogwa karigo. Those idiots would not see all that.
Nincompoops.
Non-starters. And romantic upstarts. No, the next few days kaidia tukaunga ikaraga wega na mani no kwaja mani no ya nyiro finu nego kanyita guoko magathi akera ni wasiria uria ni mama yangu mdogo
kaidia tulikarachonoka
tu kitwa tu haya filisira
no kanyita guoko
kai
mutire tigira
Pisa kimundu kiu giaku kiranunga hegai
ni giaku.
So that's lovely. Wendo wa muhirigo ucio ri wakinya akarima ka January
Okomania na January.
Everyone has that memory of December love. Iria yakorwo ri no na nyamu icio download Play Store cia kwira it's a 30-day trial. Hakinya hago subscribe uri hayo horo ucio wega atia
ugathira no kamikonya.
Let me tell you mine.
Ewe ndio wale maisha makuheta baruni.
Ta thimu yake
China. Ĩtha inyanya na 43.